Oh yeah!
Alright guys, we got Noah and Bryce here. We are in Cancun, Mexico. We're at Moon Palace Resort. I think they're gonna be starting something soon, right?
Yeah, I think it's a dance competition.
A dance competition? Oh man. Well, are you two thinking of joining?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I will.
You will? Alright, what are you, Bryce?
Yeah, I'm gonna post.
Okay, alright. Alright, you guys heard it. They're about to join a dance competition here in about 2 minutes. So for you guys, it'll be in the next few seconds. Alright, let's see what you guys think. Alright, everyone. Let's see what's going on over here, guys. As you can see, Noah and Bryce are both in it. Some kind of competition. What's gonna happen, not quite sure. Something's definitely going down there. Alright, alright. Hey, let's go. If you were ever wondering if Noah's got more than just chop, he's got some moves. Here you go. What is it you guys call it, Riz? Let's see. Feel free to follow along at home.
Shake body. Make you ring alarm. Shake body. Them girls just they feel me now. Cause I get some money, then they feel me now. Then they do me anyhow. I don't get some money, they wanna get down. They want hold me for ransom. Cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm handsome. They wanna know where I come from. They run to some niggas to London. Hallelujah. I say all the blessings and love and this because they make me to shout hallelujah. They hold me for ransom cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm awesome. They won't hold me for ransom cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm awesome. I came, I conquered, or should I say I saw, I conquered, I came. This nigga took the whole side, he ain't no lie. Without sleeping, he running the game. Now big bang, bring it, that can't little nigga in the night, What is man? It's Red Bull with the big ass bra. And like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. Yeah, this is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Almost done, guys.
Worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We gon' boogie, hoogie, hoogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We gon' drink drinks and take shots until we fall out. Like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, 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 I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, 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 baby. I got it from my dad. I got it from my dad.
you guys will probably see more of this kind of stuff on Noah's Chop. You guys have fun? All right. All right, boys, you guys did pretty good. That was pretty crazy, huh? Guess you never know what you're gonna see. You never know what you're gonna get here on Noah's Chop. All right, Bryce, what did you think?
It was good.
It was pretty good? All right, Noah, what did you think? Did you have a lot of fun?
Yeah.
All right. What do you want to say to your viewers?